Good morning, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, it's Saturday morning. I'm up, I would say early for me, because I usually try to sleep in if I can, with all this going on, to get me some rest. But anyway, it's like 10 in the morning now, so I'm up, getting ready to go for a walk. I'm getting ready to go for a 3-mile walk, and I'm going to exercise in between the walk, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. Took this trail a couple of days ago. Let me just say I was not prepared at all. Near the end of the walk, my legs and feet was numb, and it was a disaster. So what I'm trying to do now is just prepare myself mentally and physically before I start this walk. I had wanted to get up at like 5:30 and take the walk at like 6 a.m. but nah, that didn't work out. But hey, I'm still getting ready to go. So what I wanted to do was just bring you guys along this walk with me, and let me show you guys my little waist trainer that I got on. Got my little waist trainer on this morning. I actually have one in the mail that's on the way. I ordered it the beginning of this week, so I'm just waiting for it to get here. But yeah, so what I'm ready to do now is make me a smoothie. I want to drink nothing too bad where I'll be having to go to the restroom while I'm walking, because that's not gonna be good, because like I said, it's 3 miles. First things first, what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to take a shot of this NutriBurst here. And this NutriBurst is from Total Life Changes. It's a dietary supplement, and it has a lot of vitamins in it. It has vitamin A, C, D, E, potassium, etc. So what I'm going to do is just take a shot of this. So all you have to do is just take 1 tablespoon. I got 1 tablespoon here, and I have this little cup here that I'm going to pour it in. So what I'm going to do is fill this up and just pour it in here. And you got to be careful with it, because you can get a little messy with it. But yeah, take this. Okay guys, it tastes a little sweet and it tastes vitamin. So I'm just giving you the honest truth about how it tastes. It tastes sweet and it tastes like vitamins. But that's a good thing, because if you can taste the vitamins, then you know it's something healthy. Now, what I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to make me a smoothie. And the smoothie that I'm going to make is the Energy Boost, which I know I'm going to need some energy since I'm getting ready to go for this walk. So it's an Energy Boost smoothie. It's a veggie and fruit blend, and it has mandarins, spinach, apples, grapes, and bananas. I'm going to still add a banana to it because I like it for it to be a little sweet. In my smoothie, I'm going to add some spinach and kale. So this gonna be my green drink. I know a lot of people be out going to the stores getting green drinks. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but I'm gonna make my own. Okay, at least I know what I'm putting in there. So I'm gonna take a pack of the Energy Boost. Okay. And I'm gonna take 1 banana. And this is what the Energy Boost is looking like so far, guys. I'm gonna take 1 banana. And I'm going to add some coconut water. I'm going to add some regular water as well. And I'm going to add a small piece of honey. Guys, I'm back. So now that it's blended a little bit, what I'm getting ready to do now is add a pack of this ISO tea. I think I'm saying it right, ISO tea, to the mix, and it's a detox tea. Smoothie. Okay guys, so let me get ready to go on this walk, and let's go. Okay, my chat partners, I'm back. It is so windy outside and it's cold. It's supposed to be a high of 60 today. So I'm just getting to the trail, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like so far. This is just a little view of the trail. So yeah, I'm gonna be all the way on the other side, all the way over there behind the trees after a while. So what I'm getting ready to do now is stretch and get ready to start this trail. Now I'll bring you guys along. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that little bridge all the way over there. I'm gonna end up over there on that side. Woo, it is windy out here. Okay guys, I just warmed up and did a couple of stretches and did the jump rope. So I'm walking now. So walk for a while, stop, jump rope for about a minute. I'm gonna do some squats. At the end of the day, guys, it's cool to come outside, look at nature, get some fresh air, and work out, and it's free. One and a half mile mark, so you're making progress. Okay, guys, I just showed you that we are at the 1.5 mile mark, so you're making progress. I'm a little behind because I'm still getting used to trying to work out and exercise, trying to catch my breath. That's one thing I need to work on is my breathing. Inhale, exhale. But my boyfriend, he's all the way, he's a little ahead of me because he's in shape and he jogs. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to do some jumping jacks. Okay, I just did 20 jumping jacks and I just ran up a hill. Here's another hill. Here's a steep slope hill. Here's a steep slope hill, guys. See how sloped this hill is? But you know what? We're gonna get through it. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep doing what we see how to do. Okay, guys, coming down this slope hill is a steep hill, and I'm gonna try to run up this hill the best way I can. This hill is bigger than the hill I just ran up. So I'm gonna show you guys what the hill look like. So as you can see how sloped this hill is that I just went down, you can see the hill behind me, guys. Okay, so check out this big hill that I'm getting ready to run up now. You see this hill, how big it is and how steep it is. It's curvy. So I'm going to run up this hill. Okay guys, I just went up that hill. Needless to say, I'm out of breath. So I'm going to drink me some water, get myself together. And look guys, look where we at. We are now at the 2 1/4 mile location. Okay guys, so now we're at the 2 1/4 mile mark. I can say we're doing good. We're doing good. All right, let's keep hill. When we getting ready to go up, he's actually gonna run it up. Like I said, he's in way better shape than me. He exercises and does all that. I'm getting there. I'm learning. I'm step 1, so I'm an A student. I still got to go all the way to Z. Okay guys, I'm halfway there. I'm halfway at the finish line. Getting ready to go across the bridge now, which is where, I don't know if you guys remember when I first started the video, I was on the other side and I was like, look, if you can see that little bridge over there, that's where I'm going to go, halfway. So let me show you guys where I started at. Can you guys see that little slit over there? That's where I started at. So now I'm all the way over here on the other side of the bridge. As you can see, it's beautiful. Yeah, I started all the way over there. Now I'm all the way over here on the other side. I'm doing good, guys. As you can see, my boyfriend, he's jumping rope, going along the bridge. Yeah, we're making it work out here, guys. Yeah, guys, so we're almost at the end, so just keeping it going. So I got that feeling again I was telling you guys about earlier, where my feet and legs was feeling numb like they was going to sleep. It felt like that for a while, but it's starting to get better now as I continue to walk and drink water. I think I need to bring me some Powerade or something. I think I need to bring me a little bag out here or something to put around my waist where I can put like a Powerade on one side of my waist and a water on the other side so I can drink that to keep myself hydrated, to keep my body going. Thank you, sweet. So yeah, just something to go around my waist. I'm not gonna be taking that in my back of my hand. All right.
Yes. Yes. Yep. Yep. 6. Good. Put that butt down.
Okay, guys, I made it. I'm at the end. Finally done. Starting point when I first started. Okay, guys, so we're done now. We're heading on to the car. We just walked over 3 miles, did some exercises, and yeah. And basically showed you guys how you can work out outside and use what you got as far as walking on the trail and everything, enjoying nature, enjoying God's beautiful blessings, getting in fresh air, taking in sunlight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yeah, so I can say I'm tired, but I'm grateful that I completed this task. So yeah, guys, sending positive vibes and energy to everyone out there in the world. Stay blessed, guys. Keep pushing. Stay motivated. Stay positive, achieving your dreams and goals. As always, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.